principal of the Stubbs Early Education Center.
My name is Bart Dryden, and I'm currently the principal at McClary Elementary School.
Hi, I'm Michelle Savage. I'm the principal of Shumadell Middle School.
Hello, my name is Dean Ivory, and I'm the Senior Director of Teaching and Learning in the Christina School District.
Christina community, we need you.
Here we are in the midst of a pandemic and social unrest to ask you to approve a tax increase for the 14,000 students in the Christina School District.
On June 9th, the Christina School District will hold an operating and capital referendum. This referendum is required to generate the funding we need to retain, rebuild, and restore positions, programs, and facilities for our staff and our students.
There is a critical area that we need to discuss. It's the elimination of elementary music and middle and high school music programs. At the elementary level, our 5th grade band and strings opportunities will be eliminated in a failed referendum. At the middle and high school level, our strings programs will no longer exist. This would be devastating for the students who engage in music and find music as a way to learn deeper and to become more engaged in their school life.
We have the very first Chinese immersion program in our district. And in Newcastle County that is now going into or should be starting 7th grade next year. These students have been involved with Chinese immersion since kindergarten at Downs Elementary School, and they feed into SHU. And the hope was that they would move on to Newark High School to complete their immersion experience and become bilingual certified and move on to some amazing careers and very bright futures.
We're asking you, the community, to understand that 14,000 students are depending on you and your support.
Because the 14,000 children in our district deserve an equal and equitable education. They deserve the same rich experiences that all students in Newcastle County receive.
We need you to come out and vote yes on June the 9th. We cannot afford to lose a critical piece within our educational system, our instructional support staff.
Please vote for the referendum on June 9th.
We need you to vote on June 9th for our schools, for our programs, for our students, so we can retain, rebuild, and restore.
Vote June 9th, yes, for the Christina School District referendum.
So please think about them as you consider your vote on June 9th.
And may this vote be one step in helping our communities heal and unite as one. Thank you.